So this is an Adria Altea 542 DK7. Just going to take you through the van and show you how it all operates. Hitch up procedure, we've got a separate video for that we can send to you if you have any problems with hitching up the van at all, and the handbrake system and the jockey wheel. The front locker, you've got your gas regulator up the top there, and your gas bottle tie downs, and your spare wheel in the side. On the side of the van, you've got your water pump connection, as you can see, just there. You've got your battery box with your power leads in, and you've got your power lead that comes into the side of the van, and your motor mover power switch behind that. We'll demonstrate the motor mover power and how that works when you're here on site. Truma vent here on the side is when you're running the gas and electric systems for the heating and hot water systems on gas. You will need to remove that cover to let the to let the gases out the side of the van. You got your toilet system, you got your fill neck at the top, so if you've had one of the other style toilets before, this is the same idea. 3.5 litres of water in here and a cap full of the pink fluid. And your toilet set, 1 litre of water in here and a cap full of the blue fluid. Back of the van, you've got your wind down legs on each side, as you can see. Only got one down for the purpose of handover. Fridge vents on the door side of the van, one will take in cool air, one will blow out some warm air. Then you've got storage underneath the front seats at the front of the van. On the side of the van, you've got a 3-pin power socket, put power out to your awning, and at that point we'll go inside the van and show you the inside. So if you're caravan for, a lot of these things are going to be quite familiar to you in this particular caravan. Underneath the seat at the front, you've got your yellow drain down valve in the position it's in now. You can fill the water system on board the caravan. To drain it, you have to lift that valve upright so you can drain the system down. Inside the van, as you come in, inside the door, just above the sink, you've got your power switches. So you've got your master power switch just here. You've got your main lights on and off, and here as well. And then more light switches at the bottom. Water pump you've got just here, but before you try and bleed the water system, you'll need to open all the taps up on the hot side. As you can see, water in the system, you've got your water pump in the sink. You'll need to open all the taps up on the hot side. That includes your shower and your sink as well. So you do both of the taps in here as well. You open the hot side, and with the water pump connected, you turn on the pump. You turn on the water pump and start bleeding the water system. Once the water system is full of water, you'll turn each tap off. Well, that's when the water's coming out of the taps continuously. The same in the shower and the bathroom also. Once you've got water all the way through the system, you can come to the control panels over the other side of the van. And what we have over here is the electric water supply. When you put this switch here, it's a water boiler on board. You'll put it up to the top side, it'll be 35 to 40 degrees of water temperature. And then when you put it to the bottom side, it's around 60 degrees of water temperature. If you want to run the boiler on gas, it will self-ignite on gas, and you can turn it on to 50 degrees of hot water temperature, and that's the gas system. It will self-ignite, and when it does ignite, you'll get a green light on this side and a red fail light on this side if it ever fails to ignite. As you can see, the red light has just come on. And if you want to run it at 70 degrees, you can do the same by putting it on 70 degrees. The bottom switch down here is for your ultra heating system. So you can put it on 500 watts, 1000 or 2000 watts, depending on what caravan site you're on. And you can control the temperature of the heater on this dial just here. To turn it back off, you turn it to the 0 position in the centre. To ignite the heater on gas, you've got a dial here on top. You spin the dial around and hold down the gas valve. Through the window at the front here, around a 45-degree angle, you'll have your pilot light. And once it's ignited, you hold down the gas valve 5 to 10 seconds longer, then slowly release. You can then control the temperature of the heater on the dial on top. You've got your fan speed for your blown air system on this dial on top, so you've got it around at 5. In the centre here where the O is, the heat will come out the front of the heater. If you want it on manual blown air, you can have it on manual, so the fan will kick in and it will start blowing the air out around the vents around the caravan. And if you want to have it on automatic, you can also do that, so it cuts in and out with the thermostat. For now, we'll just leave the fan on to let some cool air come around the van. Cooker and hob, fairly self-explanatory. If you have any issues with that at all, then please do give us a call. However, it does work the same as your household cooker. With the fridge, you've got your power button on the left hand side, just here. And as you can see, the fridge is now on. At the moment it's trying to ignite on gas. In a moment it will fail. It'll come up with a fail symbol on this side in a moment, just to tell me it has failed to ignite. To change the temperature of the fridge when you're on gas or electric, you've got the button just here. The higher you go, the colder the beers will be. On this side you've got your option to change power supply. So as you can see here, you've got automatic mains power. Mains power, 12 volt supply from the car you turn with, so it works as a cool box. And then your option to run on gas. Like I said, it is self-igniting on gas. The bathroom in the van, just going to show you how the toilet system works. You've got a press flush on this side, and then you've got your waste flat at the back. If you have any further questions on this caravan, please do give us a call here at the Caravan Company, and we'll do all we can to assist you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.